He left home and told the truth, not by packing a suitcase, by pressing post online, where courage hides behind glowing screens. He typed the sentence he had swallowed for years. I grew up in church. I don't believe anymore. He expected silence, maybe a few private messages. Maybe someone asking why. Instead, his phone trembled like it had touched a live wire. Scriptures flooded the comments. Warnings, prophecies of destruction. Old women who once hugged him now called him demon-possessed. Men who watched him grow up said Satan had captured his mind. Friends who sang beside him wrote, "We bind that spirit." No one asked what broke. No one asked what hurt. No one asked what he lost. They didn't see the nights he prayed for faith to return. They didn't see the tears that fell on a Bible that no longer answered him. They didn't see how terrifying it is to admit, "I don't know." He had not declared war. He had confessed confusion. But confusion sounded like rebellion. Questions sounded like betrayal. Honesty sounded like evil. He learned something that day in the place that taught him truth sets you free. Truth could also exile you. And somewhere between faith and fear, between love and loyalty, a quiet line was drawn. Doubt became a sin.